In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Canon Pixma TS3750i. So I'll show you how to load the paper, install the ink, power it on, use the scanner, and set it up on the PC and phone. If you get it brand new, the first thing you'll need to do is remove these orange strips. So there is 4 in the front of the printer, and then 2 that you need to take off from the back. To power the printer on, you need to turn it around, and you'll see in the back, this is where the power plug goes, just in here. Once you've done that, press the on button and you should see a green flash, meaning the printer is successfully turned on. To install the ink, you first need to take it out of the packaging, and then we're going to be in the front of the printer, just opening this door at the bottom. So you'll see you just need to flip this latch down like so and let gravity do its job, and we'll see that we'll have both ink slots. So the printer needs to be turned on for this. On the left we have our color, and on the right we have the black. So you'll need to press these 2 blue latches down like this. It does take quite a bit of force, so don't be worrying about breaking it. Next, grab your color ink. I like to pinch it with my thumb and index finger like this. And we're simply going to glide it into the slot like this. Do the same with the black. Glide it in and then push it with your thumb. And then to secure it in place, you simply need to flip up the 2 blue latches like this. Now that we've successfully inserted the ink, you can just flip this door back up, making sure this lock is on. You'll hear the cartridges moving around. This is normal and means you've done it right. To load the paper, you need to flip up this lid on the front of the printer, and you'll see there is a blue slider. This is determined by the paper size. So as we're using A4, we're going to slide it all the way to the left, and then insert the paper directly behind the slider, and you'll feel it hit the bottom of the printer. Once you've put it in, push the slider to the right so it's nice and tight against the paper. I'll show you how to do it from a different angle. So you'll see we have the blue slider, the paper just goes in behind it. Make sure it's aligned, put it in behind the slider, and you'll feel it hit the bottom of the printer, and that's how you know it's in correctly. And then push the slider to the right. Come to the Play Store or App Store on your phone and download this app called Canon Print. Once you load it up, press on Add/Switch at the bottom, and then we're going to select Register Printer. Your printer might come up at the top, so if it does, just tap it, but you're more than likely going to have to press if printer cannot be found, then press No, and then select Auto Connection. It's going to ask you if you have this button on your printer. We do, so we'll tap yes. Then it's going to ask us to tap and hold that button. So this is the button that you need to press to put the printer in Wi-Fi powering mode. Simply hold it in for 3 seconds and you'll see it flash. That's how you know it's ready to power. Then come back to your phone, press tick, and then press next. That's going to begin to search for your printer. It can take up to 2 minutes, but it shouldn't take that long. You'll get this notification, press OK, and then next. That's going to ask you to connect to the printer's Wi-Fi, press connect, and then it'll start the process of connecting to the Wi-Fi. Press on yes, and then you'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've done that, go ahead and press OK. And it's going to communicate with the printer to connect. That shouldn't take too long. Then it's going to ask, do you want to save the network name and password? We're going to press OK, just so it's easier to connect in future. And as you can see, we've now connected to the Wi-Fi. From the Canon Print app, select Document Print in the top right. And then it's going to ask where your saved document is. So go ahead and find the document that you want to print. And then it's going to show you a preview. So if you're happy with it, just press next. And you can go ahead and select no for this. And you'll see that we'll have the printer settings. So it's going to show things like the copies, the paper size, and the color. So we'll just change it to black for this. Before you print, you want to make sure the flap at the front of your printer is pulled out. So pull this and then flip this lid, and we're now ready to print. As it's the first time printing, it might take a while. And here we have our document. So as I chose black when we were printing it, and this is how it comes out. Come back to your phone and press OK. And then we're going to delete the conversion result. From the Canon Print app, we're going to press on this scan button just here. And that's going to bring up our scanning settings. So you can change the format. You can make it a PDF or JPEG along with the color and size. So before we press scan, we're going to come to our printer and flip up this lid on the front of the printer so we can get to the scanner. You want to place the document face down like this and push it to the top left of your printer. So you'll see that there is an arrow in the top left. That's where you want to push the document. And then once you've done that, just close the lid and we're ready to scan. Press the scan button. You'll hear the printer making some noises. But that's just it doing its job and completing the scan. If you have more than one document that you want to scan, you can just press the scan button again and repeat that process until you're done. But we're just going to do one, so we'll press exit and you'll see the file has been saved on our phone. So it's going to show you a preview of it, and you can also come into your files and find it from in there. So here is our scanned image. Open up your browser on your PC or laptop and you're going to search for Canon Print app Windows. And it's this one in the Microsoft Store. Once you open that up, we're simply going to press the download button and then open up the file. And you'll see that it starts to download. All you need to do from here is just wait. And it's going to download the Canon Print app. onto your computer or laptop. When it downloads, we're just going to check all these boxes, then press OK, and then press Next, and then Set Up Now. When it asks to make changes to your device, press Yes. And then it's going to do some processing. We'll select Yes again, and then press Next. It's going to detect the printer now, so just give it a minute. Once it finds your Wi-Fi, just press Connect, and it's going to connect the printer to the network. That's going to connect for a minute, and then you should get a green check mark after the drivers are installed. Here we can see the installation is complete, and we have the check mark. So once the setup is complete, just press Next, and we'll choose Register later. And we're now ready to use the printer on our PC or laptop. Here is the picture that we're going to be copying. So flip up the lid for the scanner and place the picture face down. And once again, we're going to press the picture into the top left of the scanner and close the lid. Come to the front of your printer, and you have these two buttons, black or color. We're going to be doing black, so press and hold it for a few seconds, and that's going to start to create our copy. And here we are. So that's how you copy the picture. And here we can see the comparison between both documents.